As you can see, the parking sensor's working. However, it normally screams, I'm going to hit something. Like this.
Ah, trash man, you've hit us, and I've weed myself. Your sensors aren't working. Fix it now. No, sorry Ricky. We'll get that fixed, will we? We've got 1, 2, that's got a bit of a scratch on. 3, even worse. 4. I think go for this one. It's all bubbly. It looks horrible. Bit of penetration.
Where I've got the arrow pointing outwards, you pull that tab out and you pull the sheath off. The next arrows, you just prise them open with a flathead screwdriver, and then the whole parking sensor will just pull out. Same for fitting it back in.
She's out. That's the old one. All bubbly and horrible. The new one. That's got a little bit of bubble on. It's in. I want to give that a clean, because that's disgusting. There we go. Good as new. Good as new.
Let's switch her on, see if it's been a success. Normally it isn't when I do these things, but today we'll find out. Pop her in reverse. Oh, no warning signals. Should we reverse a little? Ah, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So we can archive this in the Qashqai videos. Check it out. If you're having some problems, I might be able to fix it. I might be able to not. It might be the problem you're looking for. It might not. But anyway, just have a watch.
Let's see if it picks me up.
Again, excellent. You seen us on the camera? You seen us what I was doing? It's worked. It's worked. You know what really helps me though, is when you do that, subscribe, or drop us a like, or just watch the video all the way through, or comment. Tell us what I've done wrong, because I'm always doing stuff wrong. But in the meantime, I'm going to get back to burning stuff. Ta-ta!